be doing a taste testing of an IQ bar. I got these online at eatiqbar.com. They currently have a 3-bar trial where you only pay shipping and handling, which comes out to be $3.95 total. You get to pick 3 of your flavors. This deal is only valid in the United States, unfortunately, and it's limited 1 trial per customer, and you can't check out with other items in your cart at the same time. So just keep that in mind. So let's first talk about what an IQ bar is. According to their website, the IQ bars are nutritional bars that have been formulated with clean label ingredients, rich in compounds shown to benefit the brain and body. These are keto-friendly bars, which is what drew me to them in the first place. So let's get started. I like their packaging. It's kind of neat for their 3-bar trial. On the inside, made by Hustlers for Hustlers. So the reason that I find bars like this appealing is because I work on the road a lot and I'm always looking for the easiest thing to throw in my bag for lunch or a snack when I'm driving hundreds of miles a day and don't feel like stopping. On a normal day-to-day basis, I don't like to lean on pre-packaged foods. To me, it feels like it reinforces bad behavior to eat packaged foods. So I usually try to go for meats and cheeses and things, but bars like these are always fun if you can just throw them in a bag. They last longer. They don't need to be kept chilled or anything like a lot of other things that I tend to put in my work bag when I'm on the road. So I got 3 flavors. One is banana nut, which I will be trying in another video comparing to the banana nut Built bars. And then there's matcha chai. This is the second one that I chose. And then the lemon blueberry. Gluten-free, kosher, dairy-free, soy-free, and non-GMO, which is great. So all the plant products that are in it come from non-GMO fields, which is great because usually with GMO the issue is Roundup Ready and pesticides that they put on stuff that gets into our food system. So it looks like that this is mostly sweetened with stevia plant extract, which is not my go-to sweetener, but is one of the, I think, the better ones. So this whole bar has 4 net carbs, 17 total carbs minus 9 fiber minus 4 grams of allulose, which is their other sweetener. And it does contain almonds and coconut. So let's try this. So this is what the bar looks like up close, kind of shiny, typical of like a protein bar, I guess. It's got a nice soft texture. It's not chalky or anything like that. Oh, you definitely taste the lemon. Get out of there. Sorry, cats are in the room, causing problems. Oh, it tastes really good. I like this one. Especially if you like lemon and blueberry. This one. I kind of wanted there to be white chocolate in it though. I don't know why. I don't even like white chocolate that much, but it kind of makes me think of white chocolate. This is solid. This is gonna give you 2 Frankie thumbs up. Would recommend. So, if you go to their website, eatiqbars.com, I'll put a link in the bottom, in the description of this video. I highly recommend just try and choose your 3 flavors for $3.95. That's a really good deal, in my opinion. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If anybody out there has any products that they want me to taste test, just send me a message. And please do that thing that everybody asks you to do on their YouTube videos: subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, and have a great day. Just because it just Hey, you guys, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Guys, knock it off. Get out of here. Come on. Out, 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 out. Come on. Out, 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 out. Come on.
Want Millie's treat?